using the books, the holy books. That means they took an oath before you as witnesses and before God. And that is why the last word was, so help me God. Now I have just a few words to you, the leaders, the newly elected leaders. As a leader, there's a couple of things that you have to understand. One, you have to be committed to your work. In the absence of teachers, you are supposed to take the responsibilities. If it's assembly time, the teachers are not yet there, make sure all the pupils are in their lines, in proper school uniform, and lined in well. If I find a leader being one of the people that are breaking the school rules and regulations, then it will be double the punishment. Am I clear? Number two, as a leader, you're supposed to be fair, free and fair. Do not have sides. I understand Hytham is a twin, and the twin is Naitham. Now, I do not expect Hytham to be fair to the twin sister because she did something and you're lenient to that person because she is your twin sister. As a leader, you're supposed to be fair to everyone, free and fair. Do not have sides. Is that clear? Number three, you are supposed to set a good example. When we talk about setting a good example, be the best that you can be. Proper school uniform, punctual, on time everywhere. Do the right thing in the right place at the right time. As a leader, I expect you to set a very good example to the rest of the pupils, the rest of your fellow pupils, so that they can, feel like we are proud we voted for this person and she or he is representing us well. Is that okay? Finally, I want to congratulate all of you. Say, today you are leaders. You never know. Today might make, a mile or like a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. So you never know. Today might be your first step in your leadership career. You might be a big politician tomorrow. You might be a big leader somewhere tomorrow. The example you set, the goals you set this time, whatever you learn in this leadership, the school leadership, because this is called a school government. So whatever you set, the examples you set to the rest of the people will determine what type of leader you are. Do you feel like you can be a president tomorrow? If you're a head boy, if you're a head girl, that means tomorrow or some days to come, you might be a president. So, do you think the ethics or the things that you learned here can give you that zeal to be a good leader tomorrow? Just ask yourself that question. It's a hypothetical question. Ask yourself and see, do I qualify to be a good leader, even outside school?